Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Redmi 9C. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll all the way down and then you need to click here additional setting. After click over additional setting, you need to click here language and import. After click over language and import, you need to click the first one, which is languages. From here, you can easily choose the language you want. For example, I would like to set this language Bangladesh. Now if I go back, you're going to see my phone now it's appear new language, which is really quite interesting. Why I made this change, actually I also want to share with you, maybe whenever you receive any phone or by mistakenly you had changed phone language and you want to set them to English. In order to how you can do that, even you might be don't know that particular language currently available in this phone. For that, I will suggest you to find out the gear icon. It might be here or it might be somewhere else, so you have to jump over the gear icon. So I just open the gear icon, and after that is going to appear just like this. You just scroll all the way down and then you can just see this is the down and three dot inside this icon. So you have to click over on it. After click over on it, you need to choose the second one. This is the first date and time, and the second one is language. So you're going to click over on it. Now you need to choose the first one, and here you're going to see the language. You can easily choose the language you want. For example, I made it English. So within this, you can easily change language in your Redmi 9C. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.